Pick is in here. The Pelicans, a possible draft and stash here. Marcos Louzada Silva, a.k.a. Didi Silva, off the board, number 35 overall. What do you make of his game here?
I have him number 73 on my big board. Probably could have given him number 1 with that hair.
Only 20, though. He's still pretty young.
Yeah, and he's out of Brazil, so I think this is a draft and stash pick. I don't think they'll use him next year. Kind of early to get some stash picks, but maybe they couldn't get anyone to bite on a trade. This is getting weird what's going to be available later on in the second round. Here's one thing about Didi Silva. He was playing in a professional league at 19 years old, and he was getting like rotation minutes, which isn't normal for like a 19-year-old. He was in Brazil, but pretty good shooter, like really good shooter actually. I didn't get to watch much of him, but he does have a good shot.
And so good shooter from deep there. So Didi Silva off the board here from Brazil, of course, to the New Orleans Pelicans, a potential draft. I think it makes sense because they didn't have enough roster spots to add all these different players.
Yeah, so now we've seen my number 67 overall guy, Jordan Poole. He went in the first round of the Golden State Warriors. But Didi Silva takes the cake for the lowest guy on my big board to go off the board at 73. He goes off the board at 35, so really, really high. It's draft and stash. I can't imagine he comes over and plays. I don't know why he would.
All right, react with an emoji here to this pick. What's your emoji?
Brazilian flag.
Oh, good answer. Good answer. That's a good one there.
That's really all I can say about him.
I would have gone with a thinky face, like, wait, who?
Yeah, I mean,
I think that's how most people will react here.
If I didn't spend the last 28 days of my life on the NBA draft, that's probably how I would have reacted because I wouldn't have known about him. But
yeah, he's not a big name.
I've done my research. I know who he is.
He's on the board.
You're not going to see him.
Not stumped.
You won't see him in the NBA next season.
Yeah, I think he's a draft and stash guy in particular. All right,
I haven't been
folks.
stumped yet.
All right, let us know there, folks, with the chat. I see a lot of kind of thinky faces there for the Pelicans here taking Didi Silva, number 35 overall.